Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to add Bitcoin BTC USD pair into the Metatrader 5 account. Now make sure to download the application, or you can just go to the browser and directly go to the Metatrader 5 account, and make sure that you have logged in with your account and connected your account with the broker as well. And once you have done both of the things, after that you just need to click on this button, which is show symbol list. Just click on this option, and once you click on this option, so basically you will be sent into MetaTrader 5. But once you connect your the broker account, so you will see all the list of the coins, or you can say the currencies that are available within this the broker account as well. So you will be able to see all those lists. So inside the crypto, you can just select the MetaTrader 5, or you can just select the crypto assets and go to search and search here BTC USD. So once you search it, you will be able to see the BTC USD pair. I have not attached my broker account with this MetaTrader 5. That's why I'm not able to see it, but you will be able to see like this one. So just select, let's say like this is the pair BTC. Just select this one and just click on show symbol. And once you click on show symbol, so now as you can see on the left side, this is basically the list of all the symbols, or you can say the pairs that are completely visible. So you will be able to see the BTC USD pair in this section as well. Just click on OK, and after that, that will be visible in front of you. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do it and add the BTC USD pair into this section.